Corey B. You're watching our Day 5 Ireland adventure video, and that clip that you just saw at the beginning flying down the Portrush golf course, that was shot for our new friend David. We met him at the Airbnb in Portrush, and he was there staying as a favor to the owner to make sure all the guests were taken care of, and he gave us some great advice on where to eat and where to drive, and he was just a huge help. So David, that clip that you wanted, I put another clip at the end of this video that's similar but a little bit different. You can tell me which clip you want and I can get that to you. Also, towards the end of this video, we were driving on the highway and we pulled off because we saw this scenic little field. It just looked really gorgeous, and there were two Irishmen working on their fence. I started talking to them and telling them what I wanted to film, and they were totally cool with it. And after we filmed, we ended up talking for like 20 minutes. And this is a shout out to Joseph Holleran. I took some pictures of his field and emailed them to him, and he was very happy I did that. So thank you, Joseph. And that's my biggest tip for today is the Irish people are so helpful, friendly, and talkative. Definitely stay at some Airbnbs or meet some locals. You will not be disappointed. They are very friendly, and they'll help you with anything. All right, guys, stay tuned for Day 6 tomorrow. We drove along the coastline and through the Connemara Forest. Gorgeous footage. It was one of my favorite days. All right, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.